Okay, this is a review of the Cross T. You have 3/4 and 3/4 shark bite fitting. You have 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. So you can put your 3/4 inch pipe, you can clean it. You don't necessarily have to, but you should. But what you want to do is you want to measure 1 inch, at least 1 inch here, and mark it with a magic marker. Doesn't really matter. Just as long as you have it marked, you put it in and you'll feel it snap into place. Put a little pressure on it, and as soon as it gets up to on or near the inch mark, that's when it's connected and it doesn't come out. There is an orange horseshoe tool that you can put over this, which will loosen this and you can remove the pipe. These fittings are reusable. And now I have a 1/2 inch pipe. I'll do the same thing. I'll mark it over here approximately 1 inch to make sure that I have the proper length. I'm going to go in and put it in my 1/2 inch side of the T. Put it in, put some pressure into it. Sometimes you have to put a little pretty good pressure on it to get it in. There it is, it went up to the mark. Now it's locked in place. Now the important thing about this is these will turn. They're not fixed like solder joints. They will turn. There's nothing wrong with them being turned. But here you have your joint in use, your coupling in use. Now you could use PVC pipe here, or here, or here, or here. You could use CPVC pipe here, here, and here. You could use PEX here, 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 and here. You could use copper here, 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 and here, or any combination thereof. It'll take anything that's rigid. And again, remember where that light plastic collar is, you can get a very inexpensive orange horseshoe tool that will go over it, put some kind of pressure on it, will release it, and you'll be able to take the pipe out if you want. And this fitting is very useful. There's no cleaning, no soldering, no sweating of the pipe. You can use it in very tight spaces. You can feed off to, say, a sink or to a toilet here, and continue your 3/4 inch rise to another water source. Very useful, and I highly recommend it. And that's a wrap.